Welcome to Kidtoons. Let's begin.
What if I told you a star could fall into the jungle? Well, one night, Leo saw it happen. Leo was chasing fireflies when a glowing star zipped across the sky. It landed with a sparkle somewhere deep in the jungle. Leo's whiskers twitched. He just had to go find it. He bounced over roots, splashed through a little stream, and peeked behind tall ferns. The star left a trail of glowing stardust, leading him further and further. Finally, he saw it. The star was stuck in some vines. Leo pulled and pulled, but the vines were too tight. A group of monkeys swung down, chattering and giggling as they pulled together. A wise owl flew in, pecking at the knots. With a pop, the star was free. The star floated up, spinning and glowing brighter than ever. It zoomed around the Leo, making him roll and laugh. Then, with a twinkle, it flew back into the sky, leaving a sparkling trail. Leo walked back to his den, still sparkling with stardust. He yawned, curled up, and thought, what an adventure! And so Leo learned big adventures are even brighter when friends help along the way.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next magical tale.